Hi first graders, welcome to Unit 4, Week 1, Day 3. I'm going to say the sounds in a word and then blend it together. W, a, t, wait, h, a, hey, a, rain, ale, male, h, a, play, s, a, snail, p, t, paint. Okay friends, so once again we're practicing. We know AI and AY both say A. So I'll give you 3 seconds, then we'll read the word. 3, 2, 1, play. 3, 2, 1, say. 3, 2, 1, gain. 3, 2, 1, bake. 3, 2, 1, ray. 3, 2, 1, raid. 3, 2, 1, gate. 3, 2, 1, grain. 3, 2, 1, stay. 3, 2, 1, braid. 3, 2, 1, made. Okay, here we go. Let's blend. Ale. Word, rail. Your turn. Word, tray. I'll let you do it again. Word, chain. Word, stay. Ape. Word, apron. That one was tricky. Okay, we'll do 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. A. 3, 2, 1. J. 3, 2, 1. O. 3, 2, 1. S. 3, 2, 1. Ch. 3, 2, 1. A. 3, 2, 1. Sw. 3, 2, 1. U. 3, 2, 1. A. 3, 2, 1. Burr. 3, 2, 1. I. 3, 2, 1. St. Okay, let's do the top together. W, ate. Word, wait. W, a. Word, way. D, a. Word, day. Now hopefully you can do these in your head. I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. May. And then 1 together. Gr, a. Word, gray. Your turn. 3, 2, 1. Sway. Then together. T, ale. Word, tail. 3, 2, 1. Plain. 3, 2, together. A. Word, tray. Your turn. 3, 2, 1. Train. Together. Ch, ain. Word, chain. 3, 2, 1. Drain. Okay, the rest of these, hopefully you can do it in your head. So say it in your head, then think it in your head, then say it. 3, 2, 1. Claim. 3, 2, 1. Clay. 3, 2, 1. Stain. 3, 2, 1. Plays. 3, 2, 1. Waited. 3, 2, 1. Explain. 3, 2, 1. Ran. Hopefully you didn't get tricked because that's just an ah sound. 3, 2, 1. Rain. 3, 2, 1. Mad. 3, 2, 1. Made. 3, 2, 1. Pant. 3, 2, 1. Paint. 3, 2, 1. Scent. 3, 2, 1. Face. 3, 2, 1. Bride. 3, 2, 1. Bridge. 3, 2, 1. Stone. Those were a lot of words. And you'll notice just one letter changed the meaning. Ran to rain, mad to made, pant to paint. Okay, let's look at our sentence. The train will not stay here all day. Together, the train will not stay here all day. Move up. Ray paid for the grain and the hay. Together, Ray paid for the grain and the hay. Here are our high frequency words. Let's say them 5 times. About, 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 about. I read a story about a monkey with a long tail. Animal, 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 animal. A mule is an animal. Carry, 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 carry. We use a pail to carry the shells. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. 8 chicks hatched from 8 eggs. Give, 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 give. Will Mom give us a ride to school? Hour, 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 hour. We wait for our bus at the bus stop. Okay, here's our story today. I see A and A. So let's read together. Snail, mail. Again, snail, mail. Here's some words you'll see. 3, 2, 1. All. 3, 2, 1. Carry. 3, 2, 1. 8. 3, 2, 1. 2, 3, 2, 1. About. 3, 2, 1. Give. 3, 2, 1. Animal. 3, 2, 1. Thanks. 3, 2, 1. Together. Okay, so let's look at our story. Okay, so we have A, 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 and then 8. Okay, let's read together. Ready? Begin. May the gray snail likes to play. May slides and glides all day. One day May had to carry mail. She had 8 things in that box. Okay. Let's look for our A's. A. Oh, there's give. Sight word. A. There's animal. A and A. Ready? Begin. Too much mail. May was about to give up. Then May took a look. Ray was an animal with a long tail. Ray liked to swing and jump. Can you help with this mail? Asked May. Let's look for our A. A with super E. A with super E. A. Lots of A's in this story. Okay, let's read it together. Ray came and pulled the mail with his tail. Ray took it and placed it on top of May's shell. May smiled at Ray. May said, "Thanks, pal." May glided all the way home. Okay. Here we go. Let's find A, 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 A. Wow, lots of A's. Okay, here we go. Now May stays and waits for Ray every day. May makes a trail. Ray gets May's mail. Together, May and Ray say, we like our mail time. Very nice. Okay, friends, so we're working on alphabetical order. The first thing we look at is the first letter. So we know B is before T, but B and B are the same. So now let's look at the next letters. So we're going to look at this one last. We know that's last because a T is after a B. So now we're looking at I and U. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Oh, there's that one. So that would be bike. And then we know bus. This is alphabetical order. The I is before the U, and the B's are before the T. Oh, I just explained that. Oh, they did it for us. So first we're looking at these. They all have B, T, B. Then we look at the B's. The B's are on top. Then we look at I and U. We sing our song. We found that I is first, then U, and T is last. Okay, let's look at a couple more. Here we go. C, A, A. So in the alphabet, A is first. So let's look at the second letter. A and T. And then cook will be last. We know that. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. There it is. So aim, at, and then cook. Okay, let's look at another one. R, D, R. Let's sing it. A, B, C, D. Oh, D's first. Okay, both of these, we're done with that. Both of these have R, so let's look at the U and the O. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O. There's O. So road. And then if we kept singing, we get to U. So day, road, run are in ABC order. Okay, let's look at our last one. Oh, this one's tricky. They all have M, so we're not going to look at the M. This one has I, A, U. Let's start our song. A. So there's A. That's first. Now we have I and U. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. There's I. And then last would be mule. And if I kept singing, I would get to the U. So it's maid, mile, mule. And then last of all, we want to identify the verb. Were is used with more than one vowel. Was is used with one vowel. Ben tried to pull his ears free. His ears were stuck. Okay, so Ben's ears were stuck. We're talking about his ears. There are two ears, so it's were. His ears were stuck. Ben was surprised. How many Bens are there? Just one. So when there's one noun, it's was in the past for the verb. And if there are two or more, it's were for the verb in the past. Okay, bye everyone. See you later.